Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Chris. I'm here with Cathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. And today, Cathy has the 11th day of Binsmas for you guys. I'm going to turn it over to her so she can show you guys what she found on the 11th day of Binsmas. A little repetitive there, but
Found
looks like
a
a
almost
full
bag of Falcon.
I'd say that's pretty full.
Full bag of Falcon.
If that was a drink, that's about as full as I would want a cup, right?
All right, where shall we start? Let's do these so we don't break them. These are some cute little kid plates, which the brand is Magpie.
Oh, and there's the receipt.
I forgot what I was gonna say. I think it's in here somewhere. $56.21 for everything you're gonna see here.
Okay.
And yeah, don't look at me missing the trash can. Anyways, yeah, the plates are just, I think those. They're really cute.
Oh, cute.
They are real glass or whatever. So, yeah, super cute. I don't know.
Yeah.
There wasn't a ton of comps or anything, but I hope I can get like 15, 20 bucks maybe out of them. We'll see. I just thought they were cute.
Cool.
Yeah. And yeah, dishware pricing, like we've said, is only 79 cents a pound. I must have got other glass, I think, because it says $6.32 is what I paid for all the dishware. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Guess we'll see.
Right. And these need a good lint roll, but they're in pretty good shape otherwise. They're Bob, size 8.5. Little black canvas espadrille. Probably 15 to 20 out of those. These are not the same. Got some trotters. I actually sold this many times. These are size 7 women's, basically new. I can probably get 30 to 40 out of these.
Okay.
So that's awesome. Yeah, so just those two shoes, you know, pretty much pay for the whole haul. These are Kenneth Cole. This is not something I would pick up at a normal thrift, but I went ahead and grabbed them at the bin, size 6.5. I don't imagine I can get a ton for these, maybe 10 to 15.
Now, is Kenneth Cole Reaction different than Kenneth Cole?
I mean, I think he has like a million lines. So
Okay.
yeah. The Gentle Souls by Kenneth Cole is like the one that I generally pick up, but it still takes forever to sell, but it eventually sells. Some Sorel Toddler Snow Boot size 9. Those
look
usually
like
go
some-
for 25 to 30 plus ship.
Some Gryffindor boots.
Perfect timing, I found this. Like a little New Year's party. The
Yeah?
kids will have fun with that.
They got little
hats.
poppers in them and
Yeah,
stuff?
little poppers and the things that make noise. Super lovely.
That would be so fun.
So fun.
To clean up.
I did find, well, I found this first, and then later on I found this. I was
Oh,
like,
cool.
Maybe I'll just put them together.
That's
Yes,
interesting.
a
You
little
found Care Bear stuff the last time, too.
Did I? Oh, yeah.
Those
that
little knob handle thingies.
True. So, that's cute. I mean, I pretty much see Care Bears every time I go to the bins, I
Yeah.
would say. Do you have a kid? I saw you look that
No,
way.
I was trying to see what this Care Bear was.
Okay.
Is it the
That
same
one's
thing?
not listed. Yeah, that one. Well,
That's Cathy's. She doesn't want to get rid of it, right?
yeah, I bought that actually from a viewer, not knowing they were a viewer, just off of a Kitizen thing. So,
Yeah.
yeah. So those are those. I don't know, maybe like $15 or something plus shipping.
For the lot?
Yeah, not a ton. I just thought they were cute. These are Cole Haan, just like a loafer, size 14. So bigger size, probably can get around 30 or so out of those. I did get some shirts. I'll probably put these in the Once Upon a Child bin, but if they don't take them, these are my son's size, so he can have more play clothes. I saw someone eyeballing me when I grabbed these.
Ooh, I think I know what those are.
It's not Carhartt.
Or what that
What
is.
you're thinking?
No, but it's like some bibs. Yeah.
So dirty.
Cabela's
They're
size.
Cabela's size 4X. So
Oh.
that's the cool part to me.
Yeah. I might take those from you.
Super duper
It might be a little big on me, but hey.
I mean, you gotta kind of bundle up under anyway.
Yeah.
So, yeah, those are really, I mean, they're really nice. They just need a very good wash, which I don't even know if I can fit this in out. I mean, probably by itself in our washing machine.
Right.
Might have to go to an actual,
Laundromat or something.
yeah, which probably wouldn't hurt anyways.
So what's something like that go for, you think?
I'm thinking like 50 plus
50?
shipping, but I'm not positive, so
Yeah.
we'll see. I don't know if I'll list these or keep them. Little chicken socks. I'll
Chicken socks.
Probably list them because I know I bought 2 socks that were crew socks the last time, cozy ones, but crew socks always like make me super itchy on that part of your leg that they're on. So I don't know. I'll probably list those, get a couple bucks. Did find some more kid clothes for the Once Upon a Child bin.
Going to the bin, which is getting there. It's getting full.
I don't know that I'll fill it to the tippy top. This is for our son.
Oh, nice.
I love that.
They love
This
Minecraft.
one I think I'm going to keep for our son instead of giving the Once Upon a Child. Oh, Nike shirt. I found 3 of these.
Oh, I feel like we've had those.
Yeah, we had that when our kid was a baby.
Yeah.
So these are all different sizes too. So it was probably the same person that really liked them. I've done.
Yeah.
I buy the same thing like every size.
And she had a hard time getting rid of them, I'm sure.
Yes. Yeah, so we got a newborn, 3-month, and 12-month. Or maybe they just had a few babies. I don't know. Who knows?
Yeah, it's possible.
On a child, I'll take those for sure. What else? Well, these are not Miss Me, but they're Grace in LA.
Okay.
So I've sold those before. I don't know if they're still sell well, but I really like the flower detail.
Let's get a close up on them.
Embroidery.
Embroidered and
size 31, easy fit.
Yeah.
So I want to say 30, but I did not recheck comps. I just grabbed them. This is some little baby Gap jeans. These are cute because they have a little dino knees.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I do need to wash these if I'm going to take them to Once Upon a Child, but I'm confident they'd take them. I just don't know that I'll actually get to wash them before we go because I want to do that for the 12th day, which is the next video, which is in the next day or two that I'd have to do it. So
Yeah.
if I can get these in the laundry tonight, we'll put them in the bin. You think I should keep this for Sai or for...
Oh, that's cool.
Or sell
Another
it?
Minecraft
Give it
shirt.
to him. Yeah.
I'm sure he would love it.
Yeah. Okay. It's like cost us nothing,
Yeah,
basically.
yeah.
So
Those boys need more play clothes, right?
that's true.
Evie?
Yeah. Do you think they
cool.
want this, or do you think I should sell
I don't
it?
think they want that.
So it's a cute hat.
Yeah.
I mean, it seems new based on this. There's no tag, but yeah, Pokemon Eevee hat. This is just from 2021. So I don't know. Get something out of it.
Yeah.
I've got this Tigger hat too. This is Disney Parks branded, so
It's got pockets.
maybe I didn't look up comps. Maybe like 15, 20. I don't know. We'll see.
A hat with pockets. That's something you don't see every day.
That's true. I want to call it pockets.
Hand warmers.
Hand warmer, yeah. These definitely need a wash, but men's Lucky Jeans. Women's Lucky Jeans don't do so well, although I might have bought a pair. I don't know if I did them back. But men's Lucky Jeans do pretty well for me.
Yeah.
These are the 410 Athletic Slim, size 38, 32s. So yeah, I'll wash those, and then those should sell for at least 20 to 30, I'd say.
Yeah.
I generally would not pick this up, but at the bins, we'll give them a shot. Hollister. Funny that I picked up something Hollister in the last haul.
Yeah.
Too. These are like a low rise, which I do feel like is kind of
Is it
coming
back in?
I don't know. Who knows? I'm just going to wear skinny jeans for my whole life. So, yeah. We'll see how those do. They also seem like they had a little bit of a flare at the bottom.
Okay.
Who knows?
The Britney Spears jeans.
That's the little champion shirt for Once Upon a Child. Some apple bottom shirt.
Apple bottom. Man, getting all the old stuff,
I
huh?
know. Yeah, so I don't know. These are short, size large. I didn't look up comps. The hat hasn't sold, but it's pretty dusty. So, I might... This is Eileen Fisher merino wool and a size 1X, which is great. But I'm probably going to wash this quickly, hopefully today, and then wear it over the next couple days for Christmas, and then sell it after the holiday. Yeah.
Okay.
So there's that. This is for Once Upon a Child. Some boys Nordstrom, like a dressy pant.
Cool.
If they don't take them, our kids can wear those. These are Lululemon, although... So, well... One of these is missing, but you can see the Lululemon on there.
Oh, yeah. Missing the branded
The size
aglet
tag
thing.
is cut out, but it does have the little...
Size dot.
which is mediums, which tells me I think these are men's, because I think all the women's stuff is sized in numbers. But it doesn't have like on the women's anyways, it has like a style code around here, so you can do that. So I don't know. I mean, I definitely don't think they're fake. Like, when I touched these before I found the brand or anything, I could tell these were a nice thing.
So they're like a compression under.
Like a men's compression tight, And it has Lululemon like stuff on the waistband. So they're definitely like a legitimate Lululemon, but I don't know what type of pant they are. Pretty sure they're men's. Don't know why men's doesn't have the style code there.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I want to say $30 even with the missing thing. But
Right.
I do know Lululemon either like fixes or gives credit or something like that. I don't know if that's worth me looking into, but I grabbed them because Lululemon at the bins.
Right. How do you pass that up, right?
This is kind of in bad shape, but I kind of wanted to grab it because I've been seeing like a ton of Instagram ads for this brand. It's like one of those, like a men's shirt, but like it's supposed to, like no matter your body type or shape or anything, it's just like supposed to fit you like really nicely.
Really? Like a one size fits all shirt, huh?
I mean, you would get your own size, but
But it's more like fitted and.
you know, like how
I feel it, yeah.
Sort of like non.
I think I know what you're talking. I've seen those ads, yeah.
So, I think I can get 15 to 20 out of it in this condition. I don't know how much they cost new, but I would say be on the lookout for that.
Okay.
So.
BYLT.
Yeah. Got some Adidas leggings. They do say tech fit. These are size small. They are cropped, so not amazing. Hopefully maybe like 10 to 15. This is just J. Jill, uncommon threads, like a tunic, flannel. I did see some comps on this around $30, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that much. But it's a size XL, maybe.
Maybe.
Hopefully at least 20. This is not a brand that's like common or anything. I think this might be like a Colorado thing. Gunnison Creek Outfitters.
Okay.
I'm imagining it's from some little boutique in Gunnison, maybe.
Maybe.
I don't know. It was
Beautiful
a nice
place
shirt,
in Colorado, though.
Yeah. So, it's a nice pullover, stretchy.
Big size, yeah.
Size XL tall, I think. Yeah. So I think I can get 15 to 20 at least.
Okay.
I found this and I had Chris call it while I was
a Chili's. Yeah, that's right. The Chili's gift card.
Chili's or On the Border or Maggiano's. Anyways, it was originally a $25 gift card. He called it and it still has 3 something on there. So
$3.78.
that almost pays for the $5 margaritas that they have at Chili's. Although I think they're $6 margaritas now.
Oh man.
Thanks inflation.
Yeah, gift card at the bins. This is almost as good as finding just
I
cash.
actually found $2 cash that day too, just on the ground, not like in a bin. And I put it in my pocket. And then I put it in the pocket with my phone, and I grabbed my phone out, and at least one of the $2. I found $2, but then I lost one. So somebody else got their day made because they found $1 then. So I found this little Scentsy Buddy turtle. Super cute. I don't think he's gonna go for a lot. I think like $5 to $10 on that.
Yeah.
I just like Scentsy stuff.
Right.
This is a boys Jordan shirt. Probably gonna put this in the Once Upon a Child thing.
Yeah.
I would keep it for our kid, but like shirts that have like too much graphic are just like they seem uncomfortable even from the inside, and like I can't stand that sound. Like
yeah.
I don't know. Maybe it's just me.
No, I know what you mean. I don't like them because you put them in the dryer or whatever, and then they like glue to itself. You know, it just kind of melts. Yeah.
Found the Elf on the Shelf book.
Okay.
I actually. Where's my phone? I wonder if I still have it. This was in a box of the actual Elf on the Shelf where the elf would be in there too, but the elf was not in there. Mm-hmm. There was a little note in there. Like, it's funny because I found the note on the first day of Binsmas about those Bogner pants, right?
Right.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if you can see that. I'll read it, but so that was the box. This note was inside of the box with the book. So it looks like the kid wrote to their elf is named Hawk. I have been doing good in school. You have been the best elf I ever met. I don't like it. And then the elf wrote back, I'm so proud of you for doing good in school. You're the best kid ever. Love, Hawk. Oh, that was so freaking cute. Anyways, yeah, I wasn't going to get the box just because it didn't have the elf in it, but I've done well with just selling the book. So
yeah. Not
for a ton. $5 to $10 probably plus shipping. Ready for what I got you?
Oh, you got me something? Oh, look, Reese just got it.
So that I can
make you a pie?
Yeah, exactly. So you can make me a peanut butter pie.
Ooh, okay.
Chris makes, I don't know if you guys have ever had the Village Inn. Is that what it's called? Just the peanut butter pie?
Yeah, I mean,
It's kind of like a
it's
copycat.
like my own version of that, yeah.
It tastes really good. So.
Since I don't know, last time I feel like we went there and it seemed like they got rid of it.
I think they did get rid
Like
of it.
the best pie that they had.
The pie that's always sold out.
Right.
You sell it every day. All right, this is the last thing. It's just an athleta dress. So I think I can get 20 to 30 maybe out of that.
Okay.
Size medium. So,
Cool.
not the hugest haul, but definitely gonna make some money considering we paid $50 and we already said kind of the first couple shoes should cover that.
Yeah.
Profit, so.
Yeah, and you got these bibs down here that should do
the
pretty
bibs-
good.
The bibs will probably cover most of the haul,
Yeah.
honestly. So, yeah,
Cool.
for the $50, those bibs probably weighed several pounds. That was probably a lot of it. Some heavy
Sweet.
jeans.
We'll go get half a margarita from Chili's and we'll bake a pie.
Like $1 for the tip. Is that enough tip for a $5 margarita?
That's
Maybe not for
That's a
$6
20% tip, right?
Not for a $6 margarita. I'm gonna find a quarter on the ground somewhere.
Well, what about taxes though?
True.
Anyway, guys, that's the 11th day of Binsmas. We're almost done. Cathy's already sourced it, so just got to be recorded now. And the last video is going to be part showing you guys what she found, and then also taking the stuff to Once Upon a Child and getting, hopefully, yes. So that's the plan at least. So we're hopefully going to get a tally on see how much just from going. So like she's already going through looking all the clothes and just seeing the kids' clothes and just keeping them, right? So we're gonna see how much. I don't know. Should we weigh the bin? Maybe see how much it actually cost us roughly, I guess, versus how much we get from Once Upon a Child. I don't know. It might be something we could do. We'll see. We'll talk about it off camera. I put her on the spot right there.
That sounds complicated.
So, anyway, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to watch the last day of Binsmas. We'll see you guys then. Bye.